Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well and doing great. The video on this topic, developmental science, contains instructive and educational content that is both shareable and easy to retain. So let's start. Definition of developmental science. It is an interdisciplinary scientific field that synthesizes perspectives from biology, psychology, and sociology in order to understand behavioral and physiological aspects of human development. Developmental features. Physical developmental characteristics are body changes, growth, improved growth, fine motor skills, and biological maturity. Origin of sexual reproduction. Origin of sexual reproduction can be traced from early prokaryotes when bacteria began exchanging genes via conjugation, transformation, transduction, and sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction derives from recombination, where parent genotypes are reorganized and shared with the offsprings. Sexual reproduction. It is the union of two gametes, which is known as syngamy, and it occurs in higher organisms, various flagellated organisms, and pseudopods. In sexual reproduction, male sperms and female egg combine to form a zygote, which is then converted into an embryo and then into baby. Advantages of sexual reproduction. Number 1, it produces genetic variations in the offspring. Number 2, species can adapt to new environment, which gives them a survival advantage. And number 3, a disease is less likely to affect all the individuals in a population. Next is developmental patterns. Developmental patterns and milestones are certain scales: babbling, crawling, and reading. Developmental patterns in animals. There are 4 essential stages. Number 1, gametogenesis, fertilization, embryogenesis, and metamorphosis to form adult. Gametogenesis. Gametogenesis is the process in which cell undergoes meiosis to form gametes. Fertilization is the process in which an egg from the female and sperm from the male combine to form zygote, which is diploid. Zygote is then converted into an embryo, which is also diploid, and this process is known as embryogenesis. Embryo is formed to form an adult. Pattern formation. It is the developmental process by which cells acquire different identities depending on their spatial positions within the embryo. Function of pattern formation is to ensure that tissues and organs develop in the correct place and orientation with the body. Developmental biology pattern describes the mechanism by which initially equivalent cells in a developing tissue in an embryo. Examples of developmental biology are telos and other changes in the tadpole of the frog Xenopus, and the biology of the imaginal discs, which generate adult body parts of the fly Drosophila melanogaster. Thank you.